want to head to the glue factory.
Okay, I need a bunny here. Oh, I need a rabbit here. This would work.
Bro.
Your chair might be a little more comfortable. Yeah, you alright? No, something tied my shoes together. Don't look at me like that, alright? I don't know what it was, but something tied my shoes. Nobody ever listens to me. Listen to what? I can tell you, this force is haunted. What, like those? Yeah, I've seen them. Bouncing lights, floating spirits.
Makabili nga.
Well, that's crazy. That can't happen. Where were you going?
Power. Bumili tayo ng tawag dito. Wait lang nga. Power. Ninja. Kung ninja, pipili. Ay, ito pala yun. Innocent. Wait lang. Tatapusin ko lang mode na to.
You got ghosts going on over there. Ghosts? Yeah. They came right after me.
All right, come over here.
Bill?
Cleaned up.